My name is Paul S. I was injured 9 months ago in a weightlifting accident. After thorough research, I came across Dr. Asfahani, who performed surgery on my L4, L5 vertebrae. I'm back up walking and running with no pain, and I'm extremely excited about the outcome from Dr. Asfahani and Advent Health. On the 12th rep of the third set of squats, it wasn't much weight, I think 135 pounds, so it's not much weight, but I felt a little twinge. And foolishly, I went and did the rest of my workout, woke up the next day with severe lower back pain, very severe. I interviewed 3 different surgeons, and they all gave me different perspectives. I like Dr. Asfahani because he said, given that your specific pain symptoms are occurring in these specific places, he says that indicates to me that this is the nerve, the sciatic nerve extending from your, it's not my spinal cord, because I learned this, the spinal cord doesn't go down that far onto your L4, L5. It's only nerves that extend from your spinal cord. And so Dr. Asfahani said, we don't need to do a full microdiscectomy for your situation. What we need to do is focus on the left side, because that's what's hurting. And the reason we want to do that is because we want to minimize scar tissue. Because if we don't do things the right way, the scar tissue can create problems where there were none before. And so I really liked the fact that he was looking at my condition specifically and indicated to me that he was listening to what I was saying regarding my condition. What really was impressive on the day of the surgery was the care that the folks took of me. All 5 of the technicians introduced themselves to me, including the anesthesiologist, the anesthesiologist helper, the supporting nurse for Dr. Asfahani. Everything went exactly as they said, which was very comforting to me, which I was shocked because having back surgery, and I did a lot of research, there's so many different problems that can go wrong with your lower back. Mine is not an uncommon one, but it's just one of a myriad of different conditions one can have. And they told me exactly what was going to happen, and it was on schedule. It was like clockwork. I was shocked because, I've had better and worse. I've been generally a very healthy person. When a doctor tells you something, you're like, oh, okay, there's maybe a 50% chance of that happening and a 50% chance of it happening in a different way. Here, everything happened just as they said. So that was comforting to know that they had seen this before, and it built faith in me to believe in them, to adhere to their schedule more. So to sum it all up, I had a very positive experience with Dr. Asfahani and the entire staff at Advent. And I will say I'm a highly critical person of just about everything in the world, and I have nothing to criticize, which if you knew me personally, you'd be like, whoa, Paul, are you sure? Were you awake those 3 weeks? I wouldn't have asked them to do anything differently than they did. I'm very happy with everything.